these seats are offered by the Indian institutions. It may be private institution, it may be government institution, it may be IIT, it may be NIT. Total seats offered for mechanical after 12th standard is only 1,57,000 only. Around 1 lakh. Out of that, for from Andhra Pradesh 15,000 seats and Telangana 8,100 seats. And mechanical in IIT 2040 around figures I am telling, and NIT is 3,700. So maximum students graduating as a mechanical engineer from the India is 1,50,000 only. This is the maximum opportunities you see. Then you can compare how much of vacuum is there in mechanical engineering stream. You can identify. First thing, what are the major streams in mechanical engineering? Three major streams, first semester to last semester, 8 semester coursework of bachelor degree. Three streams parallelly we are studying. First stream is fluid mechanics and thermal science and its application. In that fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, internal combustion engines, automobile engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, power plant engineering. These are 8 streams you are studying. Next, applied mechanics and machine designing, engineering mechanics, mechanics of materials, theory of machinery, and vibrations and machine design. This is one more stream, continuously we are studying. And next, third stream, materials and manufacturing and industrial engineering. They are engineering materials, machining and machine tools, and metrology and inspection. They are non-destructible test and destructible test, and welding technology, computer integrated manufacturing, next production planning and control, and inventory control. These are the 3 streams in mechanical engineering degree, first semester to last semester we are studying. Out of these streams, at least you are master in one stream more than sufficient to live after degree, to live in respectable position up to your retirement, or you start your entrepreneurship in that particular stream. Just one stream you are thorough is more than sufficient. So stream wise opportunities we will discuss now. You can see first one, thermal stream. You are thorough with thermal stream. First opportunity, automobile. We are know plenty of opportunities in the design development and safety and performance analysis in industry level and service level. All service stations you see, each city contains so many service centers. You are thorough with troubleshooting, then you can start your own workshop. Entrepreneurship opportunities are more in thermal field. Automobile. Next, power plants. Sky is the limit in power plants, because 2024 our Indian production capacity target, how much? That electrical energy generation production capacity is 5 lakh megawatt installed capacity is required. And that 5 lakh megawatt capacity, it may be thermal power plant, it may be combined cycle power plant, it may be this biomass based thermal power plant, it may be hydrothermal power plant, or it may be a solar thermal power plant, it may be nuclear thermal power plant. So all the types of thermal power plant, 90% opportunities are mechanical students. In the process planning and the controlling, processing and controlling, and next design of turbines, design of the boilers, integration of the systems. So many opportunities are there. Next, HVAC, heating and ventilation and air conditioning, because the human comfort, heating and ventilation and air conditioning is a major driving force for commercial, domestic and industrial. 3 opportunities are there. Next, small scale opportunities, small level of opportunities in marine and aerospace, but high level opportunities, lakhs of opportunities in automobile, power plant and HVAC. So thousands of opportunities in marine and aerospace. Coming to second stream, production engineering. In production engineering, sky is the limit. Major opportunities you will get in small scale industry. In every district headquarters, small scale industries are available. Production planning industry, bolts and nut manufacturing, any small level production planning engineering, In production engineering, opportunities are there. There you are thorough with concentration of production planning and control and inventory control. That's all. You are forecast the models and scheduling and material requirement planning and the inventory controls or network flow models per CPM. You are concentrate on that area. You have enough opportunities. Maybe you are in starting career starting, maybe salaries are low, but enough opportunities are available in and around your institute itself. You are thorough with the second stream. Come to the next opportunity, medical and food processing. You see now instrumentation, measurement and instrumentation is major role playing in biomedical. Without that nothing is happen. Majority of the 3D printing, visualization, image processing, so many things are there. So major opportunities, mechanical engineering opportunities are there. Next field is food processing. Food processing, you see dairy industry, how many dairy plants are there? So high level demand area in food processing, first one is dairy. Remaining food processing also is there. From raw material to the end product, the machineries, all machineries, maintenance, designing of the machinery, designing of the production line, the entire thing done by the mechanical engineer only. Next, packing, storage. These all are the major role players are mechanical engineers. Next, fourth field, software engineering. If you are thorough with software languages, maybe C, Java, Oracle, C++, Python, whatever it may be, and thorough with loops for do, while in C language, I know the loops, that's all. In other languages, so like, then you can develop the software for your mechanical field only, because 90% field is the software supports goes to the mechanical field. Enhance the reduce the production time, reduce the inventory investment, proper production planning. For that software, we want to develop the software tools, maybe Ansys, maybe ProE, maybe CATIA. Not only this one, these are design tools and production planning also, scheduling is there, scheduling tools are there. So development of software is a mechanical engineering major role playing. If you are a mathematician, you can't develop the software too. Maybe you can code. The end user purpose you want to develop. So, and the team mechanical engineer is the major role player. He is the leader mechanical engineer. Next, application of tool. Once it is developed, in industry we want to apply, all mechanical industry we want to apply means mechanical engineer only required. You can see in software field also, the industry mechanical engineering applying tools, whatever the tools we are using for scheduling, whatever it may be, all are mechanical engineers. Coding maybe some other mathematician is doing coding, but the leader is development section or application section is mechanical engineer. But you want to thorough with some languages. That language also we are learning in mechanical. The fourth stream is the language stream only in mechanical engineering. So sky is the limit for us as a mechanical engineer. Available of mechanical engineers so very less. Entire India 1.5 lakh only. But how we will get these opportunities? Opportunities are plenty. How we will get? That is very important. Because in these all fields they will expect some experience. But as a fresher, how we will get into the industry? That is important. That experience we can gain by the internships. Once you decide your stream and once you decide your application of your selected stream and select the industry, in each semester break or year break, you gone through the internships to the industry. If they are paying some salary, no problem, honorarium, or you pay some fee to them, for learning. Learning is important. Application of that stream, whatever the expertise stream is important. There we will get the experience. With that internship, this all four fields we will get the opportunity as a mechanical engineer. That stream, the internships may be paid, unpaid, or credit, non-credit, it doesn't matter. But you want to get exposure to your selected stream application industry. That's all. That is important for mechanical. This one only missing. That's why we are blaming mechanical engineering. We are getting less opportunity like that. No, no, no. Mechanical engineer only one person, universal acceptance person in industry. Only mechanical engineer. So some of the platforms I am giving where we will get the internship opportunities in government platform, Internship IACT, remaining all private websites and Glassdoor, Angelis, some of the platforms. And TCS for software related code development of the software or application of software related TCS Ion remote internships also available. These are the some internship opportunities only. You Google it, you will get plenty of opportunities. I think this information may be useful who are interested in mechanical engineering or who are already doing mechanical engineering degree. For both of them, it may be useful. Thank you. Thank you very much.